Alt text is crucial for your images if you want to be successful in Google and other search engines. Therefore, we'll show you an easy way to quickly set the file name as the alt text for all the images in your WordPress media library. The problem is that if you try to do it with WordPress, you'll have to spend hours editing all your files one by one, because the bulk actions are very limited. That's why we'll do it with the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. It displays all your files in a spreadsheet where you can easily edit the values, and it contains a powerful bulk editing tool that allows you to edit thousands of files at once. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Before editing the images, we have to filter them all, since the spreadsheet will show all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc., and it is necessary to search only for the images, since they will be the ones we'll edit. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be Contains. Now we'll enter image as the value. Finally, run the search to display all the images we have on our site. Once all the images have been filtered, let's set the file name as alt text for all of them. For this, open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select this option to edit the result from our search. Then, look for the field alt text here. Select the copy from other columns option. And choose the file name column. Finally, execute. And the file names will be copied to the image's alt text. Now you have the opportunity to rank first in Google or other search engines because your images are no longer missing alt text, and the best thing is that you have done it in minutes thanks to the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download the plugins in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.